Children, you like to listen to stories. Fables means stories. It is short stories with morals or messages for us. Most of the fables have animals and characters who think and act just like human beings. It is believed that many of the fables were first told by a wise person whose name was Aesop. Aesop lived hundreds of years ago in a country called Greece. His stories became so famous and popular that people kept on telling it generation after generation. Many proverbs and sayings that we use today are based on these fables. Before we start with our lesson, let us brush our grammar. We will go to the chapter Genders. In genders we have masculine gender and feminine gender, which you have already studied in your third standard. Now you look at the picture, you can see a boy and a girl. The boy belongs to the masculine gender and the girl belongs to the feminine gender. Now you can see the picture of a king and a queen. The king belongs to the masculine gender and the queen belongs to the feminine gender. Now you can see the picture of deer. In the deer family, the masculine gender or the male deer is called stag, and the feminine gender or the female deer is called doe. So, we are going to do the story of a stag, and stag is a male deer. Now you might have understood why I wanted to explain male and female, because the lesson which we are going to do, the name of the lesson is The Stag at the Pool, and I wanted to explain what is a stag. You might have understood what is a stag, so I start with the story The Stag at the Pool. Once a beautiful stag came near a pool of clear water. It wanted to drink water. As it bent down to drink water, it saw its own reflection. Now, reflection means seeing your own image. When you look into the mirror, you can see your own self in the mirror. Same, when you see in the water, you can see your own self in the water also. So that is called reflection. So when the stag saw its own reflection in the water, it looked at its antlers. Now antlers are the horns growing on its head, and these antlers are branching like the branches of the trees. So the stag felt very proud looking at its antlers. He said to himself, "How handsome I look! How beautiful are these curving antlers! They add to my beauty." At the same time, he looked at its legs, and he said, "Oh, how ugly my legs are! They are long and thin, with small feet. How I wished I had something beautiful which would match with my antlers." As he was thinking sadly about his legs, suddenly an arrow came across the pool At the same time, the stag scented the hunters around him, and with a flash of time, he started running as fast as he could to save his life. He ran fast and fast and fast, and he left the hunters far behind. Now he relaxed and went on. But he did not realize that he had entered the thickets. Thickets are very bushy trees, bushy plants. Now, as he entered the thicket, his antlers got entangled in the bushes. He got stuck in the bushes because of his antlers. He was trying very hard to remove his antlers, but he could not free himself. At the same time, he heard the hunters coming close to him. With great difficulty, he managed to free his antlers and ran as fast as he could to save his life. Now he realized that the ugly feat for which he was feeling very sad had saved his life, and the antlers for which he was feeling so proud had put his life in danger. So, dear children, we learn from this lesson that most of the time the things which we dislike are the most useful things in our life.